Over the last few weeks, we have heard a number of rumors about Samsung launching a Lite variant of the Galaxy Note 10. While the company hasn't officially teased the device yet, there have been enough rumors and leaks to suggest that the device is indeed real and in the making. Although no launch date is known for the Galaxy Note 10 Lite, the device is expected to be launched in the coming weeks, and that too with similar specs that the original Galaxy Note 10 phones come sporting, albeit at a much lower price point due to the company cutting costs in their departments. Now, ahead of the launch of the remote device, we appear to have gotten a glimpse of what the Note 10 Lite could look like. The new information comes courtesy of leaked live images that show a flat, non-curved screen panel at the front of the device. While representing a major design change on the Note 10 and the 10 Plus, both of which flaunt curved displays, the new panel appears to have been used to keep the phone's cost in check. The live images also reveal a square camera bump that looks very much like the one we have been seeing in the leaks of the Galaxy S20 lineup. The bump appears to a triple camera setup set next to an LED flash in the corner. Apart from this, the live images also show that Samsung has cut corners in other areas of design too. Unlike the glass and the metal body of the premium Note 10 series phones, the Note 10 Lite's body looks like it's built using plastic. Coming to the internals, previous leaks have suggested the Note 10 Lite could feature a 6.7-inch HDR AMOLED display with a punch hole for the device's selfie camera. Under the hood, the phone could come with Exynos 9810 SoC with a clock speed of 2.7 GHz. This is expected to be paired with up to 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, which can be expanded to 512 GB via a micro SD card. For the operating system, the phone has been tipped to come running Android 10 based on One UI 2.0. As for the cameras, the Galaxy Note 10 Lite is expected to bring with itself a triple rack camera setup with a primary 12-megapixel main camera set alongside a 12-megapixel ultra-wide angle shooter with an f/2.2 lens and a 12-megapixel telephoto camera with 2x optical zoom support.